Withdrawing money from CoinMarketCap is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, you just need to follow these instructions. First things first, you just need to select a cryptocurrency exchange, which could be Binance, Coinbase, or any cryptocurrency exchange which accept or allow you to deposit or withdraw money into your fiat currency. So you just have to do that. After that, you have to sign up and completely verify your identity. Once you have a completely verified identity or completely verified ID, you just have to simply transfer your crypto from your coin market cap to the crypto exchange which you selected. Suppose we are using Binance, you just have to send it to Binance. Now, after that, you just have to open up your Binance, sell that cryptocurrency. Selling cryptocurrency on Binance is very easy. What it will do is it will give you some sort of your local currency, which could be US dollars, pounds, totally depends upon the country you live in. You can easily withdraw money from your Binance without any problem. So that's pretty much it. This is the way to withdraw money. Hope you guys find this video helpful.